Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you joining me today. We've got a fantastic show lined up for you, with some of the most fascinating space news from around the world. To start us off, let's head to the Saturn system, where a remarkable discovery has been made about one of its moons, Titan. You might know that Titan is the second largest moon in our solar system, with a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane on its surface. But what you might not know is that Titan's atmosphere has just been found to be wobbling like a gyroscope. That's right, folks. Scientists analyzing data from NASA's Cassini mission have discovered that Titan's atmosphere is tilted and shifts in sync with the moon's long seasons. 1 year on Titan is equivalent to about 30 Earth years, so we're talking about some serious seasonal changes here. The researchers are still trying to figure out why this wobbling is happening, but they think it might be due to some event in Titan's past that knocked its atmosphere off kilter. This discovery has some interesting implications for future missions to Titan, like NASA's Dragonfly mission, which is scheduled to launch in 2028 and arrive at Titan in 2034. The Dragonfly spacecraft will be a drone-like rotorcraft that will use Titan's winds to explore various locations on the moon. But with an atmosphere that's wobbling like a gyroscope, navigating those winds could get pretty tricky. The Cassini mission might have ended back in 2017, but it's still giving us valuable insights into the Saturn system and its many mysteries. And who knows what other secrets Titan might hold. Is there life on this distant moon? Could its atmosphere be hiding some surprises for us? We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're glad you're still with us as we explore the wonders of the universe. In our last segment, we talked about the latest discoveries in black hole research. Now, let's shift our focus to some fascinating news about galaxies. You know, galaxies are like giant cities in space, each with its own unique character and history. And today we're going to talk about a particularly interesting one, the Sombrero galaxy, also known as Messier 104 or 104. Located about 30 million light-years away from Earth, this galaxy is a real showstopper. What makes the Sombrero galaxy so special is its unique shape and structure. It's a spiral galaxy, but it's seen edge-on from our perspective, which means we can see its disk and central bulge in stunning detail. And with the help of the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists have been able to study this galaxy like never before. The Webb Telescope has revealed some amazing features about the Sombrero galaxy, including a massive halo of stars, gas, and dust that surrounds the galaxy. But what's really interesting is that this halo suggests a turbulent past for the galaxy. It's thought that the Sombrero galaxy may have merged with another galaxy in the distant past, which would have triggered a burst of star formation and shaped the galaxy into its current form. The Webb telescope has also allowed scientists to study the individual stars within the Sombrero galaxy, including red giants and other types of stars that are visible in stunning detail. And by analyzing the light from these stars, scientists can learn more about the chemical composition of the galaxy and how it's evolved over time. So, what does all this mean for our understanding of galaxies and the universe? Well, it's a reminder that galaxies are dynamic and constantly changing, shaped by their interactions with other galaxies and the surrounding environment. And with the help of powerful telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, we're able to study these galaxies in unprecedented detail and gain new insights into the history and evolution of the universe. That's all for this segment of Star Chat. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the Sombrero galaxy and its fascinating story. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, I'd like to take you on a breathtaking visual adventure, courtesy of NASA astronaut Nicole Ayers. Imagine being aboard the International Space Station, floating above the curvature of our planet, and witnessing the dance of light and shadow on the Earth's surface. That's exactly what Nicole experienced, and she shared a stunning time-lapse sequence with us. As we gaze at this sublime image, We're treated to a panorama of Central and South America, with Nicaragua, Costa Rica, and Panama unfolding before our eyes. But what catches my attention is the lightning strike near Panama City, illuminating the clouds like a celestial spotlight. And if you look closely, you'll notice a reddish phenomenon above the strike. A sprite. A rare and fascinating occurrence that happens in the atmosphere between 50 and 90 kilometers above a lightning strike. Now, let's zoom in on this jellyfish sprite. Isn't it mesmerizing? The way it seems to pulse with an otherworldly energy, like a creature from the depths of the ocean. But what's even more remarkable is that the lightning strike is so bright that its reflection can be seen in the space station's structure. A reminder that we're not just observers, we're also part of this vast interconnected web of light and shadow. As we continue to explore this image, notice the orange line above the atmosphere. That's air glow, a testament to the Earth's atmospheric beauty. It's a reminder that our planet is alive, vibrant, and full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. And as we gaze at this treasure trove of visual wonders, I'm struck by the realization that there's still so much to discover, so much to explore, and so much to marvel at in this vast universe of ours. As we conclude today's Star Chat, I want to leave you with a sense of awe and curiosity. Remember that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be solved, and it's up to us to keep exploring, to keep seeking answers, and to keep pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. So, let's continue to look up at the stars, to wonder, and to marvel at the beauty and complexity of our cosmos. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.